Alright, so anytime there's always some new tech out, I find myself asking,
where the hell are they? The appropriate question is, where in the hell are they?
well, this ain't Back to the Future, but it is 2019, and I'm actually wearing these sneakers. I just wanted to give a brief experience of me like wearing these sneakers and kind of how does it feel, how does it look, you know, what do I think about it. And let's start with the design. The design kind of reminds me of Air Max 90s mixed with some kind of running shoes in a way, but they do feel kind of comfortable once you put your feet in them, but they are a snug fit. I'm just gonna let you know, you may want to get one size up if you can get your hands on these, because I know these are kind of like a rare item right now. But yeah, but once you get your feet in them, like how does the whole pairing process work and all of that? I'm gonna be honest with you, it's pretty simple. These shoes are pretty much high tech. It's probably about as techy as you can get when it comes to sneakers now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let you know, it's got NFC. These shoes have NFC in them. They also have Qi wireless charging, and they also pair to your phone via Bluetooth. So these shoes are about as techy as you're gonna get. So these shoes might not be for everybody, but if you're a techie, these are probably gonna be in line with your interest. So basically going back to that pairing. All right, allow me to interrupt the main video. In my editing, I realized I happened to misplace some content about like a quick demo with these shoes. So what I wanted to do is kind of show you. So once you kind of throw these on, I already have them like auto configured in the Nike app, so that they already kind of just automatically tighten as soon as you put them on. But I kind of want to show you guys real quick what they kind of do and how they work and how it works with the app a little bit. So so I've got the app right here. Let me go ahead and focus real quick. So here's the app. So the left, L stands for left, R stands for right. So right now that's kind of deflating. Sorry about the focus. So that's deflating, so I'm going to go ahead and do the right. So it's kind of, you know, loosening up some. So that's pretty much kind of how it works. And of course with the app, let me go ahead and show you this real quick. Focus, focus. Right now they're fully charged, if you can see that. So right now they're fully charged. And once you put them on a charger, it'll show you the full charging capacity and everything. So, but yeah, you know, this is kind of where you go to change different colors and everything. So I can go yellow or whatever. But yeah, you can just adjust and tighten these as necessary. So as you can kind of see in the background, if it catches up, I'm gonna loosen this one, loosen the left. And let's go ahead and tighten them back up. So once you download the app and you update your app and whatnot, it's gonna ask you to pair it to both sneakers, left and right. And so once you pair it up, with left and right, then you can set your preferences as far as how tight do you want your sneakers when you put them in. And you can also have it set to auto lace as soon as you put your feet in your shoes. And you can also do things like you can change the color. So you can change anything from like green to crimson red to total orange to blue and all these other kinds of colors. And I think that's kind of dope. So it kind of reminds me of the LA, I believe, what was it, LA Gear sneakers back in the day. I didn't have a pair, by the way. I had BKs, British Knights. Anybody remember those? But I digress. So the feeling of these sneakers, actually it does feel pretty good on your feet, but it is just very, very snug. So just keep that in mind. I had to go one size up. I had to get size 12 when I usually wear 11 and a half or 11. But yeah, I like the lighting features. Also, they do have a Qi charging mat that you can actually put them on. So I don't know how long it takes to charge these things up, but once they are full, Nike says you're supposed to get about 2 weeks, roughly 2 weeks on a charge. But yeah, so far these sneakers are actually kind of, you kind of feel futuristic wearing these. So if you are interested in them, unfortunately they are sold out on Nike. But I do think these are kind of cool though. I mean, I just kind of wanted to do a quick video and share these with you. But the only route that you're gonna take right now to get them is through eBay, unfortunately. But I would say give them a shot if you can get them at a decent price. But that's pretty much all I got to say about these sneakers. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed before. But if this is your first time here, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And anytime I put out some more content, you'll be first to know. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.